Good day, students. My name is Sudhakar. I have more than 10 years of experience in accountancy teaching, and I do take online classes. Okay. So I'm going to teach CBSE grade 11 and 12 accounts class. Not only CBSE, it will applicable for state syllabus also. Okay, before going to in depth of the subject, I would like to explain what is accountancy in a layman language. Okay, before starting of the subject, any subject, suppose if you're starting physics, you should know what is physics. If you're starting chemistry, well, you should know what is chemistry. Okay, at least in a layman language, you should know. Okay, at the same time, if you're starting accountancy and if it is a new, you should know what is accountancy before going to depth. Okay, so hence I decided first I will take one round of layman language accountancy. Okay, what is accountancy? Account is a process of recording financial transaction in a systematic way so that we know where our money comes from, where it goes, whether we are making a profit or loss. Okay, recording financial transactions means recording means not like WhatsApp recording or audio recording or any other records. Recording means if you are doing any financial transaction, noting down somewhere like a book or in a app or in a paper, that is called as a recording. If you are noting down the details of the transaction, what is transaction? If your any transaction is happening with money, means the exchanging of money, like someone is giving, buying, selling with money, that is called as a transaction. Okay, so we will come to know, if in accountancy we will come to know where it is going, where it is coming, from where it is coming, all those details. Okay, example in real life situation, your parents or your friends or your brother, whomsoever, you received a 5,000 rupees. Okay, that is called as a income to you. Okay, with that 5,000 in a month you spent on books 800 and outing with friends 600 and online food 750 and you spend on shopping 1800. So what is the balance? 650. This when you are doing, you will come to know. But in memory, how much time it is going to remain? After 1 month will it be remain? No, right? If suppose if homes are given, means money given by your parents or someone, if they ask how will you tell, you have to note down, then you can remove that notebook and you can show these are my expenses and these are the balance. Suppose if you do not note down, then what will happen? It will be remain in the memory and you may lose that memory. You may not remind that all the things whatever is happening, right? Where do we use accountancy? We use everywhere. Small kirana shop, tea stall, restaurant, hospital, school, online business, factory, multinational company, bank, everywhere. Wherever the money is involved, accountancy is involved. Okay. Why do we use accountancy? It helps us answer in important questions like how much money did we earn? Means how much money income? What is our income? Where did we spend? How much cash do we have in cash? Okay, and who has to pay us? Whom do we have to pay? Are we making profit or loss? Means by the end of the day or month, is there any cash remaining with us or not? So all these answers come from the records, not from the memory. Okay. When do we use accountancy? Every single day, wherever we spend, whenever we spend money, buying goods, receiving money or paying money, paying bills, rent, electricity, salaries, whatever. Okay, transactions. Give money to someone or receive money from someone, online payments. Wherever the exchange of money is involved, there will be accountancy. Okay. Any exchange of money is a transaction and recording of transaction is called as accountancy. How do we use accountancy? There are four simple steps. First, identify the transaction and record it in the books. Then classify nature of transaction, summarize and prepare reports. Okay. We will learn each step in detail in the next classes. Okay. This is one simple transaction I'm telling. On 1st April, Rahul started a business with 10,000. What will happen? How do we record? First date, then particulars, amount. In date column you write date when the transaction has happened. Particulars means narration of the transaction. Okay, then amount 10,000. Okay, you have to identify and then record it. Okay, then here are the more transaction examples. Like on 2nd April, bought goods for the transaction. How much? 2,500. What is the nature of this transaction? It is a expense. If you're doing expense, what will happen? Whatever the cash is there, that will go out. That means your cash will decrease. Sold goods for a cash, 4,000 rupees. What is the nature of income? Nature of transaction? It is a income. Then what will happen when you receive money? Your cash balance will increase. Paid rent 1,000, expense, cash decreases. Purchased furniture on credit. What is the amount? 3,000 rupees. Nature, it is a asset purchasing. What will happen? The result means effect. Your furniture will increase. Liability also increase because you purchased on credit. Okay. So in detail we will learn in next classes. Okay. So the power of accountancy. You can see many of the powerful people or organized people, right? Business people, those are all the only one secret success, they are maintaining their records. That means accountancy part. Okay, so because of that they are successful, because they know where the money they are spending. Okay, success people know where their money is because they keep records. People who do not keep the records always depend on memory. What will happen? They lose cash, they lose business, they lose themselves. Be smart, be organized, be an accountant for your life. Okay, so that you will be disciplined and you will come to know where are you standing in a financial manner. Okay, so that's it. If you like, please share and subscribe and click on icon button so that you will receive a notification. Okay, thank you very much.